Good morning, everybody. Last day, we were going through this topic narration, and that day we discussed the rule number 1. And what it was? We cannot change the tense of the reported speech when the reporting verb remains in present tense or future tense. And here you see what we have written. We can change the tense of the reported speech when the reporting verb remains in past tense. When the reporting verb remains in past tense. So past tense means it would be said or said to, and if it is said, then it will remain said. But if it is said to, then it can be changed into told, reported, informed, replied, according to the sense. If somebody is asking you, where are you going? So for that he replied that he was going to. But if there is a single sentence you have got, so at that place what you need to do, you have to use told. Okay. And if somebody is informing you, so at that time that school will remain closed tomorrow, so what will be there? You will use informed. He informed me that the school. Now you see, I am writing the same sentences. You see, he says, he will say, I am ill. Now you see, he says I am ill. So he says will remain says, and in order to join both the clauses we use that. And I is the first person. First person changes according to subject. So what is the subject here? He. So I will change into he. So along with am we use I is used with am, but along with he we use is. So he is ill. Again you see, now you see there are 3 sentences, and the answer you see, he says that he is ill, he will say that he is ill, but here you get to see he said that he is ill, not he was ill. Why so? Because these two shows rule 1. Why? Because the reporting verb is in present tense here, and here the reporting verb is in future tense. Okay, but here you get to see कि I have changed it. The tense of the reported speech के टेंस में बदलाव आया है. देखो, ही इज़ नहीं किया, मैं यहाँ वॉज किया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है ये किस में है? पास्ट. तो ये रूल 2 को प्रूव करता है कि हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में बदलाव तभी कर सकते हैं जब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में हो. सो ये हुआ आपका. लेकिन आप बोलोगे कि क्यों, कैसे चेंज करें? सो लेट मी टेल यू हाउ वी चेंज इट. कैसे बदलते हैं उसे. When the reporting verb remains in past tense, then we change the tense of the reported speech in the following ways. in the following ways. In the following ways. So what are the following ways? You see, direct, indirect. Okay, you see, number 1, present indefinite. If it is in present indefinite, means V1, then it will change into past indefinite. Means V1 will change into V2. Like, he said, I play cricket. Then it will change into, he said that, what is the V2 of play? Played. He said that he played cricket. Okay, then present continuous changes into past continuous. Means only is, am, are plus V1 ing, it will change into was and were. Okay, present continuous changes into past continuous. Then number 3, present perfect. Means has, have plus V3. And present perfect will change into past perfect. Past perfect. So what is the past of has, have? As you know, the past of has, have is had. So it would be had plus V3. So these are 3. Then the 4th one, you see, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. So what you have got to know, that all the presents have corresponding past. Okay, then you see present perfect continuous, what is it? Has, have plus been plus V1 ing, and it will change into had plus been plus V1 ing. Clear? That is it for present. And for past, so if it is in past indefinite means V2, then you have to change it into past perfect. Past perfect means had plus V3. Had plus V3. Number 6, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Past will always take past form. So past continuous किस में बदलेगा? past perfect continuous में. past continuous का क्या रूल है? was, were प्लस V1 ing. तो ये किस में बदलेगा? past perfect had प्लस been प्लस V1 ing. इसका एग्जाम्पल देखिए एक. He said to me, I was helping him. इसे कैसे बदलिएगा आप? He, I have written he. Said to changes into told. Me will remain me. In order to join both the clauses, we use that I is the first person. First person changes according to subject. S, subject. So what is the subject? Subject of the reporting verb, that is he. So he told me that he, and was will change into had been, that he had been helping him. Him is the third person. Third person, no change. Third person, no change. He had been helping him. Okay? 6. Then 7 point. Past perfect will remain past perfect. It means no change. If there is already had plus V3, so it will remain had plus V3, because have is changed into had, but again we cannot change had into any other form. So had plus V3. ठीक है, इसमें हम कहते हैं no change. No change. Again in past perfect continuous, ये भी क्या है? No change. It will remain same. No change. इसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं है. Means past perfect continuous will remain past perfect continuous. Okay? ये है. अब फ्यूचर का आप देखो. फ्यूचर में क्या होता है? इसी में नंबर 9 देखिए आप. फ्यूचर में देखिए will, shall plus V1. It will change into past form of future. Past form of future. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि will या shall किस में बदलेगा? would plus V1. और आगे जैसा भी हो, अगर have been है तो आप वही लगाइएगा, would have been हो जाएगा. ओके, ये है. अब इसके बाद हम और भी देखते हैं कि और भी बदलाव होगा. जैसे देखो आप, अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है, तो क्या होता है कि आपको कुछ वर्ड्स में देखिए क्या होता है. डायरेक्ट को कैसे बदलिएगा आप इनडायरेक्ट में. लेकिन जब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आपका प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर में होगा तो टुडे विल रिमेन टुडे. ओके, देखिए डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट तक कैसे हो रहा है. जैसे दिस है, तो अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है तो दिस विल चेंज इनटू दैट. These will change into those. Here will change into there. Now, then, ago, before. फिर अब देखिए this, that, this, those, here, there, now, then, ago, before में चेंज हो रहा है. अब देखिए today अगर कब बदलेगा? टुडे विल चेंज इनटू डैट डे. तब जब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है ओनली, अदरवाइज प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में नहीं. टुडे विल, ठीक है, टुडे डैट डे. टुनाइट डैट नाइट. yesterday the last day. The last day will change into the previous day. The previous day. Again you see direct, indirect. The last day. Okay, then tomorrow will change into the next day. The next day will change into the coming day or the following day. The coming or the following day. Okay, and now you see what we have done according to tenses. कैसे बदलाव किए थे? V1 changes into V2. ठीक है, means go will change into went. is MR, सिर्फ ये देखिए, is MR will change into was were. अगर पहले ही was were है तो आप किस में बदलिएगा, was were को had प्लस been में, had been. V2 अगर पहले से है तो किस में बदलेगा, had प्लस V3. V1 चेंजेस इंटू V2, V2 चेंजेस इंटू had प्लस V3. और देखिए हैज़ और हैव अगर पहले से है, हैज़ और हैव, तो इट विल चेंज इंटू had. ओके, विल शैल विल चेंज इंटू वुड. शुड नहीं लगा रहे हैं, क्यों, क्योंकि शुड शोज सजेशन. ओके, और देखिए इतना हुआ. फिर देखिए कुछ और हैं, जैसे मॉडल्स. कैन विल चेंज इनटू, व्हाट इज़ द पास्ट ऑफ कैन. अब देख लीजिए कैन का पास्ट क्या है, कुड. कुड, अब कुड का पास्ट तो कुछ नहीं है, इसीलिए हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, कैन कुड. विल शैल हो गया, मे विल चेंज इनटू माइट. इस तरीके से हम क्या करते हैं, चेंज करते हैं इसे. ओके, तो ये देखिए इट इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली, ये तभी संभव है जब ये सब आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे होगा. अगर ये आपको याद रहेगा तो फिर आप सभी को आराम होगी, इसे बनाने में सहूलियत होगी. यू कैन इजीली बी एबल टू सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू नरेशन. ओके, मीन्स डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. You can easily change from direct to indirect and indirect to direct, but this is based upon rule 2. So we can change the tense of the reported speech only when the reporting verb remains in past, means said होगा. Okay, understood? That is it. And yes, means I feel aggrieved sometimes when I don't get too much like and too much comment regarding the taught lessons. Okay, so I hope that you will just think over it. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.